pumpkin or sweet potato, sweet potato, tater tots. Okay, Hi guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're making something spicy and it is a curry. I know curry recipes can be slightly daunting, but this is very simple, easy, just a few ingredients, not a lot of spices. I'm using tomato puree, coconut milk, tofu, and chickpeas to the mix, and that's about it. Let's get started. For a good spicy curry, chop 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic. Also finely slice a big chunk of ginger. Next, roast some spices that you have on hand. I'm adding coriander and cumin seeds, a bit of turmeric powder, paprika, and a bit of chili. If you have a fresh chili, even better, add it while cooking. Add onion to the mix until translucent. Next up, add ginger and fry for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, chop a natural flavored tofu and add it to the mix. After a couple of minutes, add garlic for another minute and cover with 400 grams chopped tomatoes. Add a big pinch of salt. Once it's smelling absolutely divine, add 1 whole tin of full-fat coconut milk. I love to add either cooked lentils or chickpeas to the mix as well. When I finish cooking, I'll add some lemon juice for that extra zing. Serve warm with roasted kale, rice or quinoa, buckwheat or even flatbread. This is a perfect dish for a cold winter day or evening, and if you wish, you can add any other ingredient to the mix. Just add it while it's cooking, so either pumpkin or sweet potato or any seasonal ingredient, or just leave it like this. Let's try it. So creamy, very spicy, very good for our immune system. Yum.